VZ Commodore just diagnosed the number 4 cylinder, this middle one here. Injector circuit driver not controlling the injector there. Alright, so we're going to swap the ECU, a brand new ECU from Holden. We're going to put it in and program it. It just sits there and then go from there. Alright, new computer in there, ready to rock and roll. I'll plugged in. Don't forget to bolt that earth in there as well. Okay. Alright, it's getting it programmed using SPS GM software. Just using my Bosch KTS tool there, or you can use Autel J Flash VCMI, whichever one you prefer. Make sure to use a battery maintainer, but this one I don't really worry about it, because with experience they are very quick. As long as you got a fully charged battery, it shouldn't take very long, so I'm not worried about it. But just to be safe, just put a battery maintainer on the battery so you don't have a voltage drop issue during programming. Programming is completed, but the car's still not going to start because we need to link this ECU, meaning we need to program the security data. So basically it's not going to start, but if you go quickly you'll tend to crank, but it's not going to start, right? Because it's an immobilizer issue there. So we're going to do that. So I've saved the security data from the old ECU right here, so we're just going to copy and paste that. That's the security data of the old ECU. So we're just going to sort of load that into the new ECU. So write that into the new ECU. Alright, so that's our immobilizer data. We read it. Right, so we reset the ECU, we read the data, loaded from the download that I have from the previous ECU, then we write it in the new ECU, then we link it to the BCM and the other security system in the car. It says immobilizer match, VIN number is match. If it's wrong, then we can write that VIN number here as well with this firmware program. If you like this program, just contact this email address there. So now it should be all good. Let's see if it starts. There you go, the car starts, and no more misfire. All the misfires are gone. There you go, guys. New ECU programmed, security link security calibration, and all good. Thank you.